how to change the contacts group name on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on contacts. After that, we then go down and then tap on groups. And then we go down and tap on the group that you would like to change the name. So for example, I'm going to open up the test group, then tap on the more button, and then tap on edit group. Next, change it. So here, I will name it my work group, and then tap on saved. And here you can also add or remove members to the group. So you can tap on add member, and then tap on done, or you can also remove the members in the group. Here, I'm making mistakes, so I will change the spelling, and then tap on saved, and then tap on the back key. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.